special delivery. Yeah, so we have this I'll tell you guys what's in there later, but yeah, this is the one I shipped out 2 months ago, and it got here in Bulacan. Then we brought it over to Romblon Island, so we're delivering it later to the school of Tungunan. So stay tuned, guys. I'll show you guys what's in there, but for the meantime, this is our ride today. Nice chariot. This is what they call chariot. It's like a heavy duty motorcycle. Ilang cc po to, kuya?
175.
175. Wow, very torquey, very strong, like a truck. Brand new too. This is a brand new. Look at the engine, so clean. Nice. And there's a seat. There's a wooden seat here. So this is like the truck. Alright.
Oh, taga ano?
Okay. Kaya ko dito. Kaya ba, kuya? Mabigat ako eh. Okay, yeah. Alright. Kayang-kaya.
Diyan na si... Doon kaya yata, Chi.
Kuya, ano pangalan nyo, kuya?
Mark.
Mark, Kuya Mark. Thank you, salamat po, Kuya Mark. This is Kuya Mark, guys. Ayan. Hawakan mo lang dito.
May reverse pala ito.
Wow, this have a reverse. I never dual wheeling. Wow, the reverse. Ang lakas. Wow, this is a very torquey motorcycle. Wow, he has a reverse. First time I've seen a reverse motorcycle. Look at this, guys.
Talaga?
We're going into the mountains. We're climbing up. It's very steep. Kuya Epi.
Hello! We're here in Bantong, riding the chariot going to Tungunan.
Alright.
We are going to visit some relatives of Darren and family. Yeah.
Thank you.
And see the interior of Bantong.
Thank you, Kuya.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow, they're changing gear, but then it's so torquey. Look, we're heavy, but man, they could climb up with no problem. Looks like this is another barangay here, another town. Wow, this is so cool, guys. We're going through the mountain. Welcome to Togbongan Barangay. We're going through the jungle. Wow, there's so many coconuts. You can see how dense the forest is with coconut trees.
Ah, ito na yan, di ba? Ito.
Wow, this is the quarry. Wow, they're cutting the mountain.
Landslide.
Wow, look at this. Wow, this is so cool. Oh, look at this. The quarry that we saw earlier, that's what they use for their natural cement. They're turning that into a sand and some cement and rocks, and so they could build homes within the island.
Ibig sabihin, before nung makita.
So that's why you don't see any more nipa huts. Mostly it's all cement made out of all the houses here are mostly made out of cement.
Ako nagkasarap yan dahil may gano'n yung
So now we're just coasting. We're going around the island. We're going through the mountain, then around the island. So you might see some water on the side. You guys can see the water there. Wow, see, there's water. So we're on the side of the island now. Wow, so on the other side of the city, the barangay, Marinduque. Okay, so right now we're in the north of the island, so that's why it's all calm. See how calm it is.
Ibig sabihin, dito tayo galing kahapon.
With some fishing boat. Wow, we're cruising along the island, the beach. Kuya Francis, hello. Wow, this is so cool. This.
Kakatakot dito.
Oh, nice. It's like a little adventure within this island. The ride itself is fun.
We're here now at the northern part of the island. We're nearing Barangay Nabalay. Yeah. The water here is much calmer than the one in the Poblacion, and the beach here is made of pebbles
Pebbles,
and
wow,
large
nice.
boulders. Yeah, ito na, Barangay Nabalay na to. This is Katarman Beach. We're here. Ito, ganda oh. Take a video of that. Yeah, this is Katarman
Look at
Beach.
this. This is the beach.
Katarman Beach.
See the flags, very colorful.
Ibig sabihin na ipapadyak mo dito yun.
Yung alam sa yung kanilang babae sa Likwa.
Wow, look at this, guys. Woohoo! Yeah! Wow, this is nice. We're just right next to the water, cruising on chariot. This is what they call chariot. It's like the truck of the island, but it's a tricycle, three-wheel truck. Well, look at this, guys. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this, guys. Wow. I'm speechless, guys. I'm speechless. Dos
Yan.
hermanas. Dos hermanas.
In Carlota Island.
Dos hermanas.
Two women or ano, two sisters.
Dos hermanas island, which is it means two sisters. We're going through the rocks still. Look at this, guys. We'll go through. So we're here right now at Tungunan Elementary School and High School. This is my hometown. Also my dad and my my uncle and auntie's hometown. This is where the ancestor came from. Look at this, guys. It's so nice in here. They got Tungunan Elementary School. So it's a hybrid. It's a elementary school and high school. I think high school is on that side. And look at this, guys. Got all the students. Oh, look, they're playing basketball, but they're using a soccer ball. So it doesn't really bounce around, but they can still play. Wow, look at this. Oh wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. Wow, they're practicing a school dance. Si ate, tinuturuan niya silang she's probably a teacher. She's probably a teacher and teaching them how to dance. Look. Wow, look at this. Wow, yay! Wow, that's so cool, guys. That's so cool. Perfect timing too. So this is the basketball court. This is their basketball gym. But I noticed there's no court here. I think that's another project for us. There's no basketball ring. There's only one side. So yeah. So look, this is different. They have a different style of basketball court setup. So it's actually literally bolted on the ceiling. But there's no ring, so I think that might be a potential project for us, guys. So stay tuned. Wow, look at this. It's nice and cool in here.
Yan yung elementary school.
Opo, ito po elementary and then high school over here. High school is here, elementary school here. Wow. Oh, by the way, guys, this is Ma'am Nitz, Ate Nanita. She used to be a principal po dito, no? Yeah, she's a principal here and she's also a principal to Banton.
I am transferred in Banton National High School.
Banton National High School. Yeah, so we gotta go there too for our next trip.
Yes.
Di ba po, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Promise. That's a promise. We're gonna go to her school too. So this is the National High School of Banton, of Tungunan.
Di ba?
Yung ano pala. Yeah. So this is they have the library. This is the library. They got a computer room. Oh wow, dude, they have a computer room, which is cool. I'm very excited that they have a computer room here. Hello po. Principal office. We're going to principal office.
Ni Uncle Robert.
Hello po. Ako po si Darren Padrigon po.
ikaw?
Apo,
Anak
Darren
ni
Padrigon.
Uncle
Hello
Lafred.
po.
Padrigon.
Okay.
Nalin ni Nanay Winning yung...
Apo. Si Kuya.
Si Epe, ay alam mo na. Ito, anak ni Auntie Kandeng. Kapatid din ni Nanay Winning.
Okay.
Nagturo rin si ano, di ba? Si Mami.
Ito po. Kano po ang pangalan niyo po?
Bilyardo
Si Sir
po.
Bian.
Si Bian.
Kayo po ang principal po.
Opo.
Apo.
Actually,
Si Sir. Yeah. May drum box po kasi dito. Nandito yung mga computer po natin. Ayan. Ako na po yung nagagalak po na binigyan nyo kami ng opportunity po na makapag ano po dito. Makabisita po. Salamat po.
Kami nga sir, tuwa kami nung sabi binalita sa amin ni Ma'am Nitz na mag-donate niya.
Okay lang po. Okay lang po. Konti lang naman pong donation niya.
Kararating nyo lang daw po.
Opo. Kararating lang po. Ayan. This is the principal office po to, no? Principal office. Ito po. Si Sir Padalan. He's the principal here. And we have Ma'am Pabon, Pabelian, Falible, Fabra, Surban. But see the F, Besano, but F is the initial. Mr. Galang, Mr. Franco.
Uy, galang, parang
Pampanga yan. Mrs. Cordero. But F,
Alcantara.
yeah.
Galang. Basta
So I was
Alcantara, G. Ang apelido.
telling you guys, on this island,
Banton, Simara,
last name are all start with letter F.
mga Calatrava,
These are all our nice teachers here. Very, very respected teacher here in high school,
Noon sa Agustin,
elementary school.
saka Imelda, no? Ay, Santa Maria.
Tama na dati. Ilang taon na sir, hindi ka po mga
Dito po, sabay po kami kasi pumunta dito dati.
Almost 40.
40 years po kami nakarating dito.
Yes.
Opo. Dito po sa Tungunan. Ayan.
Naglalakad pa raw sila.
Ay siyempre, wala pa naman.
Opo, yan. We were here 40 years ago. I was with Kuya Richie when we were here. Ito po, yan. But I'm really happy. I'm really happy we packed this box in the States, and then it got here. Actually thought it's gonna get lost or thing. I was praying that it will get to my uncle's house in the Bulacan, but you don't know if it's ever gonna get here. But it did. It made it to Bulacan, and then now we're bringing it over to Tungunan, which is this is the real reason. One of the reasons why I kind of like want to bring it over here, since I'm going to the Philippines anyway. So it was a last minute thing that we decided, hey, you know what? We're gonna bring a gift to the elementary school, the high school in Tungunan, since elementary school's on that side. So thought we will give the gifts here instead, because all the elementary school are actually gonna end up going here anyway. So they end up using it. So I just want to say thank you. We're actually what's in the box is actually laptops, computer laptops. We were able to got some laptops from the state. There are actually 10 of them, but it wouldn't be possible because of the viewer. So the laptops actually came from the YouTube channel that I have. So I've been saving up through time, and next you know, I have enough money to actually get some laptops for them. So that's the reason why we're here. We're delivering the 10 laptops. I think I got some 10 Amazon what do you call this, mouses also, in case they need some. So yeah. So thank you again for everyone that supported this channel, and thank you for watching this video.
910.
Ayan, 10 mouse. And then there should be 5 laptops each po dyan. Ayan. Yeah, yan na, sa atin na yan. Yeah. So this is the mouse from Amazon, not sponsored. And then we got 10 laptops here. One of each.
Open ba?
Yeah.
Ay,
Ay, isa dyan.
Boy Scout. Siya mambiyan. Darren.
Ayan. Ayan po ang katas ng YouTube po. Ito po ang katas ng YouTube channel ko po. Opo.
Nag-facing at ako.
Again, thank you guys for watching this channel from day one. The money that I was able to save, actually I decided to buy some laptops and donate it to the school. So yeah, this is it. Mukhang na ano naman po, no?
Facials.
Yeah. And then may mga power supply na rin po dyan.
Buko balkin, no?
Yeah, they got some power supply. I took it off
Hindi balkin.
the box, so it doesn't, kasi mahirap kong i-transport pag nasa ano. Yeah, so if you open that up. So ganyan po ang pagbukas ng ganyan. Safe naman po.
Congratulations.
Ayan po, ayan.
Oo, national high school.
O, picture kita, picture na yun.
Ayan. So thank you guys again for watching, and appreciate you guys. Thank you for your support. Hopefully you like this video, and like and subscribe. You will continue to support this channel, and yeah.
Pero ano magkaka?
All right. So this is the office, principal office. Hello po. Hi. All right. So this is the office. This is the library. This is their library. This is a high school library over here. Look at this. Totally small. Opposite where I came from. But this is the library. See the books. So this is the high school. And then there's some classes too. But I'm just gonna. This is the computer room. Oh, good. So they actually have more computer coming on their class. All right. So this is the way they set this up is the way they set up the school. You got a nice school playground. There's the gym, and wow, look at this view. You got solar panel. Look at this view, guys. They're surrounded with trees, coconut. See this mountain here, full of coconut. Wow, look at that. And they're surrounded with so this is elementary school, and then if you go around here is the high school, National High School. So obviously when they're done with the elementary, they graduated, they go to this high school right here. So, and this is Tungunan Banton Tungunan in Romblon. This is where my dad came from, my aunties, my uncle. This is their school. I have a story that the reason why I picked this school for the laptop donation is my dad actually is one of the poorest kid in this neighborhood. So he was telling me that he used to go to school with no pants or no shorts, just long beat up shirt. And yeah, so this is the school. So that's why I decided to pick this school for the donation. So again, thank you again for following this channel. I was able to save up the money from the YouTube that we earn, and we were able to buy some laptops and donate it to the school. So again, thank you guys for supporting this channel from day one. Appreciate you guys. Hey, I almost forgot, guys. There's a mango tree full of mango. See that? In the middle of the school ground, and it had just a beautiful mango tree surrounded with shade and a nice place to hang out. But look at these mangoes! Wow, so much mangoes. Oh wait, here, I'll show you guys. Look. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow. Look at this mango. Wow, so many mangoes. And look, see how beautiful the trees.
1, 2, 3, go! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you very much! Thank you! Thank you!
Alright. Wow, that's so nice. They did some chanting thank you song. Pero po, sila po yung mga teachers dito po. Well-respected teacher po. Super smart teacher.
Ito. At si Zero rin.
Ako yung social studies teacher.
Wow, so they're the teacher. Here, we get to meet them too. Auntie Winning, if you're watching this video, we promise we'll come and see you. You're probably waiting for us. Kasi ito, marami akong atraso. Marami siyang ano. Jump shot. Alright, so this is it. Thank you everyone for watching. Again, this is not possible because of you guys. So again, thank you for following this channel. And shout out to my family. Thank you Jaden, Jacob for helping Daddy to configure these laptops. It made it. So I'm really happy you guys are helping me out, and now it's very now it's in the school. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys later.